I'm sure you've heard the news. Yoga isn't just for human pretzels anymore. Yoga for beginners is like a choose-your-own-adventure book, but with less reading and more stretching. Start with some basic poses like downward dog and child's pose. Don't worry, they sound scarier than they are. The key is to go at your own speed. No need to impress anyone, especially your dog, who probably naps through most of your session anyway. Focus on your breathing. Deep breaths in, inhale, and out. Exhale. Feels amazing, right? Remember, yoga isn't about being perfect. It's about progress, not looking like a human pretzel. So grab that mat, find a quiet spot, and get bending. Your body and your stress levels will thank you. And if all else fails, just lie down in Savasana. It's basically adult nap time. Namaste, everyone.